What's up, YouTube? We got GU and UJ, right? I ain't gonna lie, I think UJ is better. Look, I'm gonna just show y'all real quick. So, I'm gonna show y'all GU first, cause it looks a little bit worse. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Boom, look at this. This was NFP. This is the drop I was anticipating that I was trying to catch. I was trying to catch this move right here. Not the whole thing, but a piece of it. They're in London session on Friday, but it just happened during NFP, which I mean, that's fair. That's fair to expect. But look at this sell side level, man. I want to see this get swept, and then I want to take a retracement to the equilibrium of this range right here. These are literally my best setups, bro. Shit like this. We take out some higher time frame sell side, and then we start to retrace back up to the upside to equilibrium. Those are always my best setups. But it's about to be 2 o'clock in 5 minutes, and we still ain't hit this shit. It's also the previous month's low. On top of that, we still ain't hit this shit. So this might be a. I'm trying to think. Are we gonna hit this shit during 2 a.m. and then throw a setup, or are we gonna not throw a setup into New York for a GU? Basically. But look, on here we already actually took out the sell side. The buy side level. So this is opposite of GU. Obviously, is UJ. So the U.S. dollar is now being compared to something instead of being. Y'all know what the fuck I mean, man. It's the first in the pair instead of the second, so it's gonna move a little bit different. Pretty much the opposite. But yeah, we came up, we took this out, now we starting to push down. Coming back into this range, we just wicked it. Even on the lower time frames, we just wicked this shit. Even right here, you see that? Little wick. It was like a little peak, and then we coming back down. But I gotta pick one, man. I don't know which one I wanna pick, bro. Oh yeah, as y'all can see, my light is back, my lamp. Oh my God, that water was so fucking good. But my roommate, bro, my old roommate, shout out to that nigga, bro. Nigga was funny as hell. He used to drink some water, bro. Bro, we used to have no water in our dorm rooms, bro. The dining hall would be closed. We thirsty as shit, bro. Thirsty as hell. We'd go downstairs the next morning, bro, happy as fuck, finna get some water from the dining hall when they open. This nigga drink a big ass gulp and be like, damn, that shit better than sex. I ain't gonna lie, that nigga was not capping either, but that shit funny as hell. That shit good as hell, bro. I don't even got no more, bro. So what do I look at, bro? What do I look at, bro? Help me. I need help. Fuck. We so close to this, though. All we gotta do is take it. We created relative equal lows, bro. I think I'm gonna fuck with GU, bro. It's something telling me fuck with GU, don't fuck with UJ. It's something telling me, bro. Hold on, let me check news. Okay, 10 a.m. ISM PMI. 4:30. This is a beautiful week, bro. Just look at this shit. We only got one real news event. And I like the orange news photos because they be pushing the market in the draw. They be adding a little bit of volatility that you need. And they'll be going OD like the red photos. One thing I'm not going to do is I'm not taking any shorts. I'm telling y'all right now, I will not take a short target in this area. The number one way that I lose, bro, I'm pretty sure this is the most common way that I lose. And this is why journaling is so important. It'll be a situation just like this, right? And should I just look at UJ just to eliminate all this shit? Because what I'm about to say is about to just be like, nigga, just go to UJ. But fuck it. the number one way that I lose is I'll have a level that I want to get swept. Like in this case, it's this PML 1.25965. I want to see that get swept and then take a buy back up into the range. So a retracement. Right. But we'll fuck around like a motherfucker. And then all of a sudden I'm like, fuck it, let's just take a short down to this area so I can get a trade in. Like we'll fuck around, and we'll tap into this fair value gap, let's say, and then we'll start to push down, and I'll try and take a short targeting this, then I'll get stopped out. And then we'll take this like an hour later and then have the perfect setup. That's the number one way I lose. So I will not be taking shorts trying to target this. If we break through this, if we break through and close below this, I'm gonna expect us to really run all these lows. And the thing about this right here, I know I said this is the number one way that I lose. I'm about to take it. I'm about to take it short. And this is hard because I said I wasn't taking shorts, but this is looking clean, bro. And this is the draw, like. Yeah, look at this, bro. Look at where we closed. I'm gonna take profits right here and right here, but it's not retracing. We got strong displacement, though. I'm about to take it short, guys. No bullshit. I need to come back down here at least. That's a very strong move, though. I would really love to see it to come back up in here. I'm not taking nothing in there, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm just gonna play the inverse. And if we don't get an entry, then that's absolutely perfect. No funny shit, that's perfect. Actually, I'm probably gonna take the inverse. Not the inverse, hold up. 0.1 divided by 8.8 times 85. Is that 8.8? Yeah. I'm gonna sell it. We gotta reach up into here. But if we don't, then I don't sell. You feel me? The reason I don't want to take this is because, I mean, it's still a 1 to 1.6. But what if I put it right here, though? I mean, you could. And that's still 8.8. I prefer to take it at consequent encroachment, though. Don't look like we're gonna get an entry, though. It doesn't look like we're retracing at all. That might be better for me, though. That might be good for me to not get an entry. I don't think we're gonna get one. Just not looking too promising at the moment. But hopefully we can close bearish like this. Hopefully we can close bearish down here in the next 30 seconds and then get a retracement back up. But I kind of want it to be slow. I don't want it to be too quick. I don't want like one candle to come all the way up here. if we close down here. Now, if we start to push back up right now, let's see how this shit go. Hold up. All right, cool. Yeah, it still gotta come back in this area, bro. So if it don't hit my blue line, then it ain't worth the trade. Even right here at a 1 to 1.6, I still don't want that, bro. Still don't want it. I need you at the blue line. Go ahead, you can retrace up there, man. Man, I want a bitch, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. Like, damn, I've been on the grind for so long, bro. It's damn near been a year. It's damn near been a year, bro. The closest I done got to a bitch is talking to hoes at my job, bro. But it's all good because really, if you think about it, you want to maximize your potential. I'm still in my mom's basement. I don't got time for no hoes, bro. And look, that's a tiny ass fair value gap, and we did tap into it, but I don't care, bro. I really don't give a fuck. I think I'm gonna put my stop right here though, because we should not come up there. It don't look like we gonna get an entry, man. But we still could. We got hope. We have hope. Face of it. The fuck is that? Yeah. If you can come up here, that would be literally perfect for me. Man, come on, bro. Fuck is you doing, bro? I mean, they already tapped into the 5 minute though. This is very valid. We could just sell off right here, but I want equilibrium. I want you to come up here, and I ain't budging unless you do that. I want the very best entry. That's what I want. And I want you to stop being a little bitch. But yeah, this is perfectly valid. If we sell off right here, it's perfect. It's just not the entry that I want personally. And even as I say that, I feel the fear hitting me. Like, no, I want to make money. I want to be in this trade. I want to get in right now. I feel it, but it's about feeling them emotions and not giving a fuck. You feel me? Like, fuck it, leave me. I don't care, bitch. Or give me my entry. That'd be cool too. Now, right now, according to ICT, we should come. Nah, I ain't gonna say we should. If we come and trade below this low, we're gonna start to sell off. If this candle right now comes and trades below this low, we're gonna start to sell off. I don't know, man. I kind of like this because it's moving real slow, and we could slowly push up into this and then dip off. But we tapped into this 15 minute right here after pushing through this high. I think we sell off though. Might move my entry to right there. like this. $6.9. Like, what is my shit at right now? We about to get in there, bitch, baby. Alright, let's see what happens, man. We just got in this bitch. Boom. I gotta go to the gym soon, though. That's the thing, so. What does this say? $253. And it's gonna be first TP, though. Bro, I'm getting nice at this trading shit. I ain't gonna lie. Even if I lose this, I'm still getting nice at this shit, bro. Like, what is you saying, boy? What is you saying? I'm probably gonna go to the gym though. And then they gotta take a shit. I ain't gonna hold you. So I'm finna set some alerts. This why I pick my baby GU. This right here. I'm about to go upstairs though. I'm finna keep watching the markets. Got my alert set and shit. I can execute from my phone now. What are you talking about? So, yeah. I need the 15 minutes to do a little bit more though. The 1 hour about to close in 4 minutes like this though. So this is looking very promising, man. This is looking very promising, if I do say so myself. I'll probably make 200 off this trade, taking profits here and here. But yeah, I'm finna catch y'all later. I'm finna keep letting this bitch run, but y'all not finna be able to see the video. And I'm also gonna turn off my mic. But I'm gonna let this shit run. Might get stopped out, might not, who knows? We don't know. We just gonna let it play out, man. So I'm gonna see y'all when the trade ends. And yeah, y'all be safe, man. So, as you can see, I got stopped out, and now it's pushing down in my direction, man. So this just goes to show you should always put your stop above the third candle in the 3 candle fair value gap formation, man. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this shit hurts. And y'all just seen I took another L. Why is that? That's because I took a short on UJ. I'm gonna show y'all UJ real quick. Hold up. Where UJ at? Oh, hold up. UJ right here. Bang. Bang. Get the fuck off my screen. Alright. What the hell? So I took a short on UJ. And I felt like I was really just revenge trading. So I got out. I lost how much? $48. I felt like I was revenge trading, so I got out and I seen that GU was still pushing in my direction. And I was like, if GU was pushing down, then UJ's probably gonna push up. But I don't know, this shit could still play out, and I could have took 2 L's, and if I would have just held, I would have, who knows. But either way, I felt like I was revenge trading, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get out early. Cause if it would have hit my stop up here, then I would have lost like another $80, and I would have been pissed. I would have been pissed as fuck, especially since this is going towards my TP. But hold on, let me turn my video on real quick, man. I ain't gonna lie. Even though I lost this shit and now it's going in my direction, even though that shit hurts, it really do hurt. I ain't gonna lie. I'm telling you right now, it hurts. Like I literally am down on my account now. It hurts a lot. It makes me feel good that it's moving in my direction. Like now I know, never put your stop right here. If bro, literally, if I would have just kept my initial entry right, cause I was really trying to enter right here. Y'all remember that? I was trying to enter right around here, in this area. But instead, I entered at the whatever right here. At this inverse is where I entered instead of up into here around consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. So that caused me to move my stop loss down so that I could keep the same risk. But if I would have just kept my shit right here, I'll be hitting TP1 right about now. And I'll be up about $80 today. And this is gonna hit my other prop. I would have been up to 200. But at the same time, you can't think about it like that because it's just gonna fuck your mind up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like this shit is fucking me up right now. I'm pissed as fuck right now. But it's still another learning experience. Just don't put your stop loss right here. You gotta put it up here, bro. You gotta put your stop up here. Damn, bro. And I be knowing Forex is not as clean as the indices, bro. So we not gonna respect the fair value gap the same way an indice would. Like on NAS, if we came up all the way up here, well, we didn't even close above the fair value gap, so this was still valid. But we probably wouldn't have wicked all the way up here, bro. This shit really do hurt though, bro. This shit. Damn, man. And then I took another trade, like for what, bro? But let's see how that shit's doing. I'm glad I got out early on this one though, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm glad I did that. Even though this setup on paper is kind of better than the other one, the fact that that GU was pushing down so hard, this is not a good setup to take. But on paper, this setup is better. We got this fair value gap. We actually closed below this short-term low. We swept these highs. On the 15-minute, we closed below this low right here. So it kind of looks better. And we swept these highs on the 4-hour up here. It makes more sense, to be honest. But again, this right here is why. I mean, I would still be in this trade if my stop was up here. But this right here is literally why. I told y'all from the jump that I wasn't going to take shorts because this is the way I lose the most, right? This is literally the way I lose the most, bro. This is the way I lose the most, is I expect this to get swept into the retracement instead of just waiting for that setup in my next session during New York. I want to take a short right here. You feel me? So it's like, damn, bro. I mean, this shit's about to work out, but still, bro. This shit is very irritating, bro. But I mean, this is what comes with the game. Again, you just gotta learn, bro. I'm never fucking putting my stop right here again, bro. Pain is the best way to learn, bro. I'm never putting my stop right here again. I'm putting it up here from now on, like, for real.